I don't know if you guys can see. I have a lot of damage. I start put out a lot. But I can put out the bump enforcement. I have this side is more better, but I can follow this side for do the same the other side. And I make the points, the welder points, where I can take the welder off or take the wall piece off. This time I'm gonna use one used trunk. Is up there. That's used, but the body line is good. And I'm gonna put right now so I can measure with the old piece or make everything good before I cut and put the new piece. Now I use the used trunk, but the measure is good. Now I can see. I don't know if you guys can see, it's touched, the line's too close. This color panel needs to go more out. I don't know if you guys can see now. I put the used trunk, but the body line is good. I don't know if you guys can see, but the trunk talking the color panel. This color panel need to go more outside because the crash go like this. Then this color panel need to go more outside because this side is good. Then I need to put more out this side. Yes, I did need to take the body for the tail lights, but I can make the lines good because it had a lot of pressure. The body for the photo panel don't want to go out like make the same line. But now I took the part for the tail light. And now the brake lines are the same. Now I take the part so I can check everything. It's the same measure. Now the car is all set where I can put prime. Everything's measured. I did put the seam sealer, and now I'm gonna put prime, and I'm gonna paint here inside for the same color for the original one. Everything's good. Now is in the primer. Like here we try to do the same the original, the same for the factory. Then the seam sealer, gophers, the exact place to protect the weld, and the primer go in the top, and everything is measured now. Just wait for prepare and paint.